Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Podium Chatbot tutorial for beginners. So first is, set up your Podium account. Sign up for Podium. Visit Podium's website and create an account. Choose a plan that includes the chatbot feature. Access the dashboard. Log into your Podium account. Navigate to the messaging or chatbot section in the dashboard. Second is to configure the chatbot. Activate the chatbot. Look for the chatbot settings on your dashboard. Enable the chatbot feature. Customize the welcome message. Set up an introductory message to greet customers. For example, "Hi there, how can we assist you today?" Next, add facts and automated responses. Go to the FAQ or automation settings. Input common customer questions and their respective answers. For instance, question, "What are your store's hours?" And the answer is, "We are open Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Next is, create lead capture forms. Use the chatbot to collect customers' details like name, email, phone number, and inquiry type. Next is to set up handoff to a team member. Configure rules to transfer the conversation to a live agent if the chatbot can't resolve the query. Step 3 is to integrate the chatbot. Add the Podium Chatbot widget to your website by pasting the provided code snippet into your site's HTML. If you're using platforms like WordPress or Shopify, follow Podium's specific integration guide. Connect to messaging platforms. Sync the chatbot with platforms like Messenger, Google Business Messages, SMS text messaging. This ensures you can respond to customers across multiple channels. Step 4 is to test the chatbot. Interact with the chatbot as a customer to test its responses. Ensure it handles common questions, capture leads, and transition smoothly to live agents. Train and refine the chatbot. Periodically, check customer interactions to identify gaps in the chatbot responses. Update the FAQs or automated responses. Monitor analytics. Use Podium's analytic tools to track metrics like responses rates, lead captures, and customer satisfaction. Lastly is publish and announce. Inform customers that they can now use the chatbot for quick assistance. Add a call to action on your website or social media, such as, "Need help? Chat with us now." And that's basically it.